First of all, come to this website called Stakecut.com. You come to this place and tap on sign up. Yours is going to tell you to sign up. You just put in your details for signing up and then just tap on sign up. But I already have an account, so I'm just going to tap on login. So you're going to be passed through this series of questions. Just tap on yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. Doesn't matter.
Okay, so now what you're going to do is now to come down here. Just come down, slide down here, and then come to this place, this down place that said continue to your Stakecut dashboard, and then just tap on it.
So this is how your account is going to be. You can see it here. This is how, if you open a new account, this is how it's going to be. So you just come down here to let's say marketplace. When you want to come down to marketplace, so you can see there's a lot of products you can promote here. You can see all of these are products that you can promote. So let's just pick one and see the commissions that we're going to get from the product that we are promoting. So this video content workshop, I kind of like video content because there's a lot of people that want to learn how to use video to like create wonderful videos for themselves or for clients. So let us look at this. Let's tap on promote. Let us see how the course is all about. So it's 16.8 and you're going to get 50% commission from this. Let's come down here to see. So there are a couple of things that you're going to see. So the JV page is the page for affiliate marketers. So let's tap on the JV page. It's going to take us to the place where we are going to get all the materials that we are going to use to affiliate. So we can just tap on view Telegram channel. Let's see whether this particular program has everything in stock for us. Okay, I don't know why it's having problem with this laptop, but you can do this on your phone.
So you can see this is the group now on mobile. It has entered on mobile, and that is what I'm saying. It cannot enter on my PC. What you can do is to download all of these things as marketing materials. So you can use all of these things as marketing materials. Even this video, you can download it as marketing materials and use it too.
So let's go back now. When you come down here, you notice that there's this affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link now. So this is what you're going to copy as your own particular affiliate link. So you just copy it and take it and save it on a notepad, or just on your notepad. You have a notepad, or you can take it to your WhatsApp and then paste it for yourself. So this is me on my WhatsApp, so I'm just going to paste my affiliate link here and I'm just going to do send. So you can see this is my affiliate link. Now another thing you're going to do is to go to this sales page. This sales page is how the people that are going to buy this product, how they are going to see the sales page before they buy the product. So this is the sales page. Let's say you send this link to your family or to your friends. This is how your friends are going to tap on the link. When your friends tap on the link, this is where is going to bring them, and this is what they are going to see. So you can see, let's just watch this video.
Have explored and progress and have explored, and I have a lot of lessons to share when it comes to this matter. And what I'm talking about here, of course, video creation, video content creation. It's just so beautiful how I've been able to move from what you're seeing on the screen right now to what you're seeing now and what you're seeing here in this video right now. All right, and it's just crazy and amazing the transformation it has done for me, how it has transformed my business, even as a
good. So you can see this is just how you're going to see it. The people that want to buy this course, the people that are interested in it, when they come here, there's a lot of things that is going to persuade them to like purchase this course, especially people that want to increase their chances, their skills on video creation. So I hope you're understanding this thing. So you just have to look at the product that you want to promote, and you have to see, okay, are people actually going to be interested in this? You can see there's a lot of testimonials to this video creation stuff. A lot of people that are interested in video creation, you can see they are dropping their testimonials here. So this is now a good product for you to affiliate for. It's not about just getting product. You see, you have to sit down and think about it now. This particular product that we have gotten, right? This particular product that we picked, this is the video editing product, right? Who are the people that will best need this product? Who are the people? So you have to think, okay, now let's say for instance, now the product you picked is a product that teaches people how to sell their cars, or the product that teaches people how to buy land and resell land. Now, do you think that students, do you understand? Do you think that students will be of the best people to target for those kind of products? So that's why I'm telling you to see that you have to sit down and think. Now, just by you thinking, you now think of, okay, how do I now target students for this particular product? Since this product will best serve students, it changes the way you now push strategy. So now, how do you think you can target students? Let me think of one, or how I think I can target students. Why don't I go into groups that belongs to students? Why don't I create a class or a flyer that will target specifically students? How do I do that? How are the strategies that I do that? First of all, let's say, since this is a graphic, this is a video editing, right, course. So what I'm going to start doing now is now to go get a flyer. It's very simple. You can go to Canva and do this thing. So this is literally canva.com, right? This is Canva. Just go to Canva, look at canva.com. So now you can just say, you can now come and then type whatever design you want to make. So let's say it's just flyer. Then let's just go to event flyer to create flyer. This is something you can do yourself, but it's going to take your time. Then you can just pay a graphic design to do a flyer for you. So you can just pick a flyer whereby you're now going to, let's say, something like this. So this is the flyer. Now you can now edit the flyer for that particular product that you have gotten. But when you enter the group, when you check the group, you should see all of these flyers and all of these videos that are already made for you. But let's say you just want to do it for your own self, so you can just do something like video. So this is something that you can now edit. You can just maybe change this to video. You can come here to element and just change it. Just put things that is related to video editing. Just something that is related to video, because it's the course that is the course that you're literally marketing. Like, it's a course that you're literally marketing. So you have to sit down and think. I don't even know what to say. I hate it when I see beginners just doing whatsoever they want to do and think they're going to make sale. Like, you guys don't really understand how this world works. So something like, you can just be creative about this thing. Then when you want to export, you can just come here to this share and export. You can literally do this on your phone. No excuses. You can do this on your phone. You can access Canva on your phone. Now you create that flyer. You create the flyer well, targeting students. So things that you can put on a flyer is, okay, learn video editing, right? Free class. So you can host 3 days class, right? You can host 3 days class telling people the importance of video editing and stuff. Okay, the question is, Victor, how do we host this 3 days class? This 3-day class, we don't know how to do it. You can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, please write me. So come to ChatGPT now and write this now. Write me a 3-day structured class that will help train my students about video editing, and make it in such a way that at the end they will be interested in paying for an advanced course on video editing. So this now, it's now going to structure this 3-day class. Now let us see what it's going to give us. So day 1, you introduce, you can see everything. You can see how everything is structured. Day 2, advanced. You can see 9 a.m. to 12, 3-day structured class. 3-day structured class on video. This is for video editing. You literally just copy this in and go and keep it somewhere on your notepad. Now you see, you already have 3 days class. You don't have excuse. If you want to make money, you have to do things the right way. You have to see, you take a product and then see how this product can be channeled to people, and then see how these people will be able to be interested in this product, to take out their money to pay for it. That is how you make money. See, this, you have to really think and do things well. I hate it when I see all these YouTubers making some kind of useless videos and useless concept about making money that I can't just understand. Carrying link and dropping it there, taking link and keeping it there. Like, it's crazy to me. This is how money is being made. You have to sit down and think, whatsoever you're promoting, who are the people that will need it? Now the question is, now how do you now get this student? How do you now get traffic? Then you can now run advertisements. You either pay people to run Facebook ads for you. That is another problem again. That is not a problem, but that's another challenge again that you face as an affiliate marketer. You either like pay TVs. So I'm just going to give you guys access to 2 WhatsApp TVs. I'll give you guys access to 2 WhatsApp TVs. Now let me even show you guys. I run advertisements with them, so you can just copy their number. Let me literally show you now. So this is my WhatsApp, and I run advertisement with these 2 WhatsApp TVs. At least I trust them well. These 2. Let me zoom in. Unscribe and Ninja Premium TV also. So you can even see, look at our last chat. You even told me how much is for ads. You can see this one ads. I run ads with this TV. So let me just tap here to show you the number, so you can get access to the number of the TV. So this is the number of the TV. You can literally copy it here. You can see it, just copy it. This is the number of the TV, 09021760350. Copy it and save it, and then you can chat the TV up. And also this phone scribe, so you can see it here. This is his own adverts, this own card rates. They are also good. These 2 TVs are good. I have a lot of TVs to run advertisements with, but these ones are very good. I like running ads with them. So you can see this is the number 07031224835. So you can literally copy the number and then save it, and you can run advertisements with them. So that is one strategy you can use as an affiliate marketer to make money logically on the internet. If you're interested in affiliate marketing videos, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends, so that I'll make more videos like this about affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing the right way, the real and realistic way. See you in the next video.